Excusez-moi. Madame, l'air est un peu sec. Vous auriez du baume à lèvres. Voilà, madame.
Tell me something. What goes on in the head of a person in front of a closed door? When they don't really know if they're wanted. If they open the door, they're either transgressing or fulfilling someone's desire.
Depends who's behind the door, I guess.
Only two types of guests frequent luxury hotels. Those on the prowl and those on the run.
You seem to be a stickler for rules, but you don't always follow them, do you?
What can you tell me about him? Have you decided to enjoy yourself? Is it a game?
Why should I answer?
Because I can't stop thinking about you.
You should get out.
I'm afraid.
A delicious feeling.
Do you get pleasure? I have my own science. Ta-ti-ta-ta.
When you were in my room, what did you do?
La 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 la.